Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about HTML comments. So the comments are used to document the HTML source code and they are not displayed in the browser. Now the HTML comments are started with the angular bracket and the exclamation point, and after that we have two dash, and the comments are closed by using two dash and the closing angular bracket, and in between we can write our comment and the comment will not be displayed in the browser. And also we can use the shortcut Ctrl and / to make a comment. Now with comment we can place notification and reminder inside the HTML source code. And the comments are also great for debugging the HTML source code, where we can comment out HTML lines of code one at a time to search for errors. So this is the way we can use the HTML comments for documentation purpose, and also we can use the comment for the debugging purpose. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.